The Snap Fasteners Kit is a highly useful and indispensable tool for fabric work and crafting. It provides an array of convenient options for fastening materials, closures, and accessories. This simple kit, which was made with accuracy and simplicity in mind, becomes the conductor of your creative creations, easily incorporating ease of use and practicality into your creating pursuits. Imagine the difficulties involved in stitching, the requirement for safe fasteners, and the need for a polished appearance. With the Snap Fasteners Kit, every project you work on becomes a note in the harmonic harmony of your creative endeavors. It becomes your dependable partner. The adaptability of the Snap Fasteners Kit is evident as it caters to various materials and projects. Whether you're working on garments, bags, or home decor items, this kit proves to be versatile and user-friendly. Operation is a breeze. A simple press or application of force secures the snaps, providing a secure closure that stands up to regular use. Crafted from durable and rust-resistant materials, the Snap Fasteners Kit emphasizes not just convenience, but also longevity. It withstands the demands of different fabrics and maintains its effectiveness over time, ensuring that your crafting companion remains a trustworthy choice for the long run. This kit isn't just about fastening fabrics. It symbolizes a commitment to precision and efficiency in your creative pursuits. Crafted from resilient materials, it embodies a dedication to ensuring that even the smallest aspects of your sewing projects are approached with practicality. The Snap Fasteners Kit is a whispersome revolution in the grand narrative of crafting essentials. It transforms the routine act of securing closures into a symphony of convenience, reminding us that even the tiniest additions to our creative rituals can play a pivotal role in enhancing our crafting experiences. So, embrace the subtle brilliance of the Snap Fasteners Kit, where every snap becomes a note in the orchestrated melody of contemporary crafting innovation. That is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more great content, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers. Till next time, bye-bye.